In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth didn't have any shape, and it was empty. Darkness was over the surface of the ocean. At that time, the ocean covered the earth. The Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. God said, "Let there be light." And there was light. God saw that the light was good. He separated the light from the darkness. God called the light day. He called the darkness night. There was evening and there was morning. It was day 1. God said, "Let there be a huge space between the waters. Let's separate water from water." And that's exactly what happened. God made a huge space between the waters. He separated the water that was under the space from the water that was above it. God called the huge space sky. There was evening and there was morning. It was day 2. God said, "Let the water under the sky be gathered into one place. Let the dry ground appear." And that's exactly what happened. God called the dry ground land. He called the waters that were gathered together oceans. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce plants. Let them bear their own seeds. And let there be trees on the land that bear fruit with seeds in it. Let each kind of plant or tree have its own kind of seeds." And that's exactly what happened. The land produced plants. Each kind of plant had its own kind of seeds. The land produced trees that bore fruit with seeds in it. Each kind of tree had its own kind of seeds. God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning. It was day 3. God said, "Let there be lights in the huge space of sky. Let them separate the day from the night. Let them serve as signs to mark off the seasons and the days and the years. Let them serve as lights in the huge space of sky to give light on earth." And that's exactly what happened. God made 2 great lights. He made the larger light to rule over the day. He made the smaller light to rule over the night. He also made the stars. God put the lights in the huge space of sky to give light on the earth. He put them there to rule over the day and the night. He put them there to separate light from darkness. God saw that it was good. And there was evening and there was morning. It was day 4. God said, "Let the waters be filled with living things. Let birds fly above the earth across the huge space of sky." So God created the great creatures of the ocean. He created every living and moving thing that fills the waters. He created all kinds of them. He created every kind of bird that flies. And God saw that it was good. God blessed them. He said, "Have little ones and increase your numbers. Fill the waters in the ocean. Let there be more and more birds on earth." There was evening and there was morning. It was day 5. God said, "Let the land produce all kinds of living creatures. Let there be livestock and creatures that move along the ground and wild animals. Let there be all kinds of them." And that's exactly what happened. God made all kinds of wild animals. He made all kinds of livestock. He made all kinds of creatures that move along the ground. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make man in our likeness." So God created man in his own likeness. He created him in the likeness of God. He created them as male and female.